Is your engine shaking like a leaf and feeling down on power? Almost like you are missing a cylinder. If you have scanned your vehicle and found the trouble code P0284, you are dealing with a cylinder 8 contribution or balance fault. And this is something you need to address immediately to save your engine. This code essentially tells you that the powertrain control module, or PCM, has noticed that cylinder number 8 is not pulling its weight compared to the others. The computer monitors the acceleration of the crankshaft every time a cylinder fires. If cylinder 8 fires and the crankshaft does not speed up as much as it should, the computer flags it. While this can sometimes be a mechanical issue, in my experience, this is almost always a fuel-related problem, specifically with the fuel injector on that cylinder. You might be noticing a rough idle, a significant drop in fuel economy, or just a general lack of acceleration power. The most common culprit is that the injector for cylinder 8 has failed, or it is clogged up with dirt and is just dribbling fuel instead of spraying a nice cone mist. It could also be an electrical issue where the injector is not getting the signal to open. To diagnose this yourself, you are going to need to get under the hood. First, inspect the electrical connector on the cylinder 8 injector. Look for corrosion or pushed out pins. If that looks good, start the engine and use a long screwdriver like a stethoscope. Put the handle to your ear and the tip on the injector. You should hear a steady rhythmical ticking sound. If it is silent, it is not working. Next, use a voltmeter to check the red power wire at the injector. It must show battery voltage. If you have voltage and it clicks, but you still have the code, the injector is likely clogged. You can try a direct fuel injector flush. You will need a flush kit from an auto parts store. You have to remove the fuel pump fuse, run the engine until it stalls to depressurize the lines, and then hook up the pressurized cleaner can directly to the fuel rail test port. Pinch off the return line, start the car, and let it run on the pure cleaner until the can is empty and the engine dies. Reassemble everything, reset the code, and drop. If the rough idle comes back, it is time to replace that fuel injector entirely. If you are not comfortable working with high-pressure fuel lines, this is the moment to call a professional. Catching this early prevents long-term engine damage.